Hello there, traders. So we have added the new features on our robot, the trend multiplier new version at 2.5. I will be teaching you on the new settings, the new add-ins, the new features. So what we'll learn today on this topic, number one, added features in the robot settings, how it works, how to set it. Number two, how to use them and how to change to affect on your trading. Number three, test your settings on MT4 tester. So we will be testing, we'll be sharing you how to test your settings on your MT4. Let's say you already done your settings, you know, you understand well, and we will test it in your on the MT4. All right. So by the end of this training, you should be able to understand on how the new features works and adjust them. All right. So first we will be opening up our MT4 using our demo account. So remember to use demo account before testing it live. So because you are not familiar with the settings, so make sure you testing it with our demo account first on your MT4. Alright. So first we will go through our navigator. Okay. I believe this one you already familiar on this settings. If you go through with our original version. So we have a lot of trainings there. So we will drag this trend multiplier robot 2.5 from our navigator tab under expert advisor. Alright, so drag it. So our euro US dollar, our pair we will use for our testing, for our demo, and then 1 hour. Then we will drag the trend multiplier. Okay, drag it to our window. Okay, then we go to the inputs. So what is the added now? So what is the added features compared to old version? All right, so here we go, our added version. All right, okay, so first is the total, the close on total profit. So we add the total profit. It will close whatever the profit that you set. Okay, next is total loss. You also can set it, your total loss. This one based on your currency pair, which is series of trade. Series of trades means if the A is working on buy only, so it will always on buy. It will sell, it will be sell. So it will focus on one series of trade. All right. So we have added as well the use trailing profit. So this is a true really good feature. So trailing profit, and we have a under that we have a trailing profit start and trailing profit close. So I will be explaining to you all this. All right, so one by one for you to understand better how it works. All right, I will explain to you first on the distance multiplier, how this one it works. So I believe the rest of these functions you already go through on our previous videos. So what we added is this one, distance multiplier, and the rest. So we will do one by one. Okay, so from distance multiplier, how it works. So it works like this. Okay, so let's say you are on this mode. Okay, this is your trading. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you are on, let's say, euro US dollar sell. Okay, so the market has been on reverse side, right? Suppose it go down so that you can earn, but it's not. So it is reverse side. So it will shoot up more. Let's say it hits this one. So first on distance position is 15. Let's say this 15 will multiply by your distance multiplier. So 1.2. So this is 18. It will triggers 18. So means the next trade level is 18 pips. So how is it? 18 pips is this one. This distance. Alright. We talk about this distance. Alright. So let's say the market is still shooting up. Okay. This is mainly in the news or recent news, sudden news, something like that. So it's still shooting up, and then it triggers to your next trade. So what is your next trade? Is at 21 pips. So because if you're on 1.2, right? So this is 21 pips. So this is your 21, and if 21 goes up some more to 25, that is the your 20 pips. So that is how it works. All right. So the steps is compared to if you off this distance multiplier, it will always 15, this one 15, this one 15, and 15. Every time is 15. But since you already inputs the distance multiplier to 1.2 or 1.3, it's up to you. So 1.4, it depends on you. So if you want more better, is more higher, but if this is good in news. So let's say you are 15, so it will always up, multiply, and so on and so on. All right. So that's how it works on distance multiplier. This is good. And let's say your AA has been already in trading, then suddenly there is a bad news or good news or something like that. It hurts on that particular trade, either Euro US dollar or any GDP USD or Australia USD. So you can change it to this distance multiplier, so that the moment it keep moving higher and higher and higher. So you can multiply it higher more. All right. So next it will be the close on total profit. So how this total profit works? Okay. Let's say our default here is 100, but you can change it to any value, whatever you want. Let's say what is 100? All right. Let's say the profit, you have a Euro US dollar. All right. A Euro US dollar. Let's say that the Euro US dollar sell is in profiting. So it go down. Let's say it goes down and then it earns $100. All right. So 100 USD. The moment it reached this 100 USD, then the profit or that series of trades will close all. Series of trades means in all your Euro US dollar sell mode or this something like this, you have a series of trades, right? So first is you have multiplier here, lot multiplier 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is they call it series of trades. So the moment it reaches down, it creates a profit of $100. All this will be closed and ended with your profit of 100 USD. All right. And this profit here, you can change it to any value. Maybe 100 is very big for you. You can change it to $10. So the moment, or $5, the moment it reaches down to $5 or $10, all the trades will be closed. All right. So next is close on total loss. Total loss means it's the same. It's a series of trade. So if you put in this series of trades, let's say now is 0. Maybe you can put it 100 as well. Let's say 100. If this is, let's say Euro USD buy, maybe buy this one. All right. So it's the opposite side. So maybe you are losing of 100. The moment it reached down and then it reached to 100, minus 100, negative $100. So all the trades will be closed and you are losing of 100 USD. All right. So just as opposite side. So if you feel that you need to put stop loss, then it's up to you. But if you feel like very hard and a very pain to accept the losses, just put it like 0 and then wait for the market to reverse back. All right. So next is a trailing profit. So trailing profit means you leave it as a true here. So if you do not, you can change it to false. But since we use it and very important feature, so we can change it. Okay, we can use it. Trailing profit. How's the trailing profit works? Let's say you're working again with any currency pair. So let's say Euro US dollar. Okay, let's say Euro US dollar, you already earn, let's say the market is going down, right? Let's say few series of trades. Okay, This is your first level, second level, or what. So all these trades, it go down, and then it reach, and then it earns positive 10. Okay, 10 USD. All right, so $10. So the moment it reach the earnings profit of $10 based on your settings here, you can change it any numbers. So let's say $10. It will lock the profit, and then it will go and check your profit close. Let's say your profit close is 2, right? Let's say the market reverse. Okay, the market reverse, and then it go down to 8. So you have a minus 2. So it will close all these trades to $8. Okay, so you are profiting $8. All right. So $8 for this whole trade. So it is close profit. All right. So what if the market still keep continue drop, and then it still keep earning? So this is keeps 10, right? So the moment, let's say it hits up to positive 20 here, I mean, that is your total earnings all over from here down to here is total $20. So since this one is 2, so the moment reach to 20, it will lock this profit. Okay, and then the moment it reverses to 18, so $18, then the AA will auto close all these trades and profit with $18. All right, so this is how it's simple, the profit trailing, and then take profit and your multiplier. So actually take profit and profit trailing, they are almost the same, but just your take profit will be put higher. All right. So next training, I will be showing you on how to test your settings on your tester. All right. So let's say we will drag this, and then so this AA, this robot has a encrypted key, so we will be inputting our encrypted key here. So encrypted key for the purpose of trial version. All right. So after that, you know how this works all, and then let's say your take profit is 50, and then your distance position is 15, and then you enable the multiplier, distance multiplier to 1.2, and then distance is layer position, how many, and remember the new settings or the new features will be take profit, total profit, and then you leave it, maybe put it like 50. It's up to you, it depends on you, it's all your settings. Okay, so total loss, you just put like 0, or if you want, if you are okay, you can put it maybe I want reach to 100 on that series of trade, minus 100, I will be losing 100. Okay, so it's up to you. If you don't want, then just leave it 0. All right, so my trailing profit may be 10, and then I close it to 2. All right, 2 means after it will minus, if the further down it will be closed on that mode. Okay, so maybe I will put it like 5. I want that very easy to close. All right. Okay, so all the settings has been good, and make sure this one is true. Okay, and then I will click OK. All right, so we go to our tester. So you click this tester over here, so tester strategy, and then you select your EA, your robot. We are using trend multiplier, and then our currency pair, we're using maybe Euro US dollar, is up to you. Then you have to check that this is your expert properties, the one that we set just now. You can set your how much is your deposit. Okay, I mean your maybe how much. Okay, so your inputs here we already done. All right, and then remember that your encrypted key actually is not copied. Okay, then paste it so that it will works. All right, okay, all right. So this is trial version, so you can see it that there is a trial version, I mean the trial date. All right, And don't forget to use this visual mode here, so that you will know and you really see how it works. Alright, so we can put it the start, so you can choose the date first. The date, maybe you can choose the previous date. Okay, I can say that maybe September 1 as September 2017, and then I will end it with maybe January 31. Alright, so it's up to you. Alright, so click start and then go to result. Okay, so the AA start working, so you can see that. So how this works, you can see it over here. So you can see on our visual here, the buy is already in one level, sell is one level as well, and then your buy is already -1, and sell is earning at 0.9. all right, $1. all right. So wait for the next trade. If one of that will be going to losing, so I'll be waiting for that. So you can monitor that that next trade, and okay, see, you see that your buy mode has been triggered. All right, so buy here. Okay, so it will start on the buy, and here, okay, okay, this is how it works. Okay, 1920. So you minus out with the second buy here, this one, 1902. So this is how it works. So 15 multiplied by 1.0 is 18, right? So this is the next, that's why your next triggered lots level has been multiple. All right, so you can see that over here how the AA works and how your settings has been applied on the tester, and the AA is following on what is your settings. All right, so remember that tester is just the test of the previous log data from the market, and then you cannot rely this like 100% true one, because we don't know what will happen in the next, right? And besides that, this settings is only one time. You cannot change it, because this is tester only, right? You cannot change it, not like in your live, like in your, the moment you're in your live trading, or you're on your demo account trading, not on the tester. So in your demo account you can change it, or you in your live you can change the settings. Let's say you are encountering that the market has been moved wildly, or because of the recent news, so you can change it, your multiplier. Remember that you can change the multiplier. All right, so that's just how the tester works. You can monitor it over here. See, you just look at that, it's already earned, yeah, it's already earned about $10.8 US. Okay, because it was set based on your TP settings and profit trailing settings. All right, so that's how it works, and I hope you understand, and then I hope you test. So every time that let's say you want to change that particular settings, all right, you want to change it to, maybe I want more safe, 1.3. My distance multiplier will be 1.3, and then maybe I put it this one with 15, and near to close. Okay, take profit is more near, and then I want 5, because I want 5 on my profit start, and then I will close it with 1. So the moment it reverse, I already earned 5, and it will reverse of $1, and then I will earning with $4. All right, so okay, just okay, then you can check this particular here. Let's say this one is a big dip, right? It's a big drop over here. You can see that this portion, so you can select that particular date. So August, whether your settings can sustain or can survive on this particular down, right? So very far, you see, very deep. Okay, so I will choose that August 29. All right. Okay, September, August. Maybe start at 29. All right, 29 here. Okay, so start dropping, and then to the recent date. Okay, so I already done this one, and then okay, then start it again, then go to my result, and then yeah, this is how your settings. So look at that, you are on buy portion, and then you are on buy sell, and one is losing and one is earning. All right, so the moment it good drop, and then it triggers to the next level. Remember that we set it 1.3, so 15, we will be 15 multiplied by 1.3, so 19. All right, so try and see, this already triggered the second time. So your buy mode 1980 is over here, and then the next is 1961 minus 1980 minus 1961. You see, so it's 19. It's 19 pips. So the calculation, and the A is working on based on what is your settings. All right. So we will wait for the next profit. Okay, it will close in a while. So you can see it over here on your visual mode. So you can see your margin and the leverage and all that, and then yeah, so we can see that we will wait for the profit to hit on based on your settings. Since your this settings, your profit is 5, and then it go down to 4, is minor, it close at 1. So I will have that particular. Okay, look at this. It's already 3.1. So 3.5, 4.0. The moment it reaches to 5, it will close. So it's still waiting. So 4.445. You see, look at that. So it's 5, but it doesn't reverse back. So it goes up to 10, 8. Okay, yeah, look at that. So see that from 8 drop back, so it's still earning. So 2 of your trade has been closed using the profit trailing. So that's how it works. It's working well, our AA, and I hope it's good for you. And then remember that you can change the settings every time. All right. So I hope you are okay with the settings. And so the moment you see that here sell is already losing, wait for the reverse back. It will trigger either your TP or your trailing profit. So you have 2 options that you can set, you can see, or you can rely on. All right, so your TP or your profit trailing. All right, so thanks, and I hope you all understand, and you're getting better on understanding on this AA, how it works, and I hope you will be profitable and your settings. So don't forget to check if you have some queries regarding the settings and the EA, and please let us know, and by sending an email at admin@forexpipsplus.com. Thank you, and bye bye. Happy trading.